Okay, so on the daytime from Nasdaq, we can see that we have created this BISI here, as well as this new opening gap, which has been untouched so far this week. We're trading around the 30,000 price level. Hourly time frame, we can see here that during Asia, we opened immediately ran lower, taking out this sell side liquidity. Traders went short on a breakout here, probably trying to target this low possibly. We then edged that low and engineered liquidity right here, creating relatively good lows. So I anticipate that price is going to draw higher into this high here because people went short on a breakout here, placing their stop losses above this high. So this would be the original consolidation. You can see at 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. ran up higher into this high. I'm gonna just below that high, engineering liquidity. So that is tipping its hand to me that we're gonna go higher. So now we see that retracing to our point of interest. We're gonna look, do we have any SMT here? Where we can see YM formed the low at 9 a.m. NQ at 12 a.m. meaning there's an SMT here. So that's valid now. And then we're gonna go into the 1 minute time frame. You can see here that we have 8:30. We're gonna mark that out as the sell side, which we want to see get taken out. Let's add some quadrants onto this inversion fair value gap. Taking a look at ES as well, seeing if we take out 8:30's low on ES. YM has obviously taken out every single low because it's not moving. It's below every single hourly candle. So we're gonna wait and see. Do we get any SMT in this area? I'm gonna add some time onto the market. We have 7 a.m. and 9:30 to 10:30 right here. So let's see what price wants to do in this 1 hour window. See these value gaps we use as resistance, possibly to draw towards this low down here. So you have this small volume imbalance here, which price might want to reach into, which also lines up with the 75% level here. So we're gonna wait and see if we can get above these value gaps. So that we rejected this sell side, which is always good to see. So if you create CSD, this would be rejection block. Let's see if we have any SMT. Yes, we do. See that ES never took out 8:30's low, whereas NQ has. So there's a 30-minute SMT. So all we're waiting for at the moment is for price to close above this range up here. So that bearish order flow is still in play. We retraced into this order block and failed to reach the consequent encroachment threshold. So that is signs of weakness. Okay, I'm gonna drop into the 15-second time frame. We've reached this 75% level here. We have SMT, which is still intact. We'll show up the sell side. So I'm going to wait and see if we close above this fair gap right here, and possibly take an entry if we close above it. Strength. Okay, we're now in the macro of 950 to 1010. Let's see if we can get a reversal soon. People that are trying to chase this slower. There we go. That's the expansion I wanted to see. Now let's see if we can create a fair gap right here. I'm gonna wait for the fair value gap just to see. Don't want to take any impulsive entries. Price could actually come all the way down here and close it in. Okay, fair value gap. I'll take an entry right there. Stop below the low. So yeah, you can see here. That SMT is still intact.
Bitch, I'm one and young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, just like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. Made it out of jungle, my ball ain't got no jumper. Rest in peace, my uncle. Never met, but I still love you. Remember that pussy from way back, playing I pay on the popper. Stayed in the hood where the killers at, made my pillow a chopper. This ain't that what you looking at, and we done updated the roster. You can tell it's a rich nigga posture. Y'all gon' wanna spitting it popper.
Okay, so
Trapping at school, I was serving back.
Closest low of SMT. I see here, this is the closest one right now, but let me double check on here. So 903. We formed the low at 904 on ES. This is not significant to me. This is just 1 minute difference. So I'm gonna probably stick with this one here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna go break even because it's the same thing. My first. Wait, where's my targets? Okay, my first target is gonna be the original consolidation, and then my second one is going to be 30,150. So I'm gonna place my TP up there. Yeah. Let's see how it plays out. My first partial will be 5 contracts. I'm gonna take 4 off actually. I just need the opening gap. And I'm gonna take one last one at the original consolidation.
Just got my reading and my reasons. I'm booked out the region.